So today I bring you along a 1 hour, 60-minute street photography session in Geneva. I shot this video in the last few days I had left in Geneva before moving to Japan. I had plenty of administrative matter to handle and also some friends and family to meet before leaving, so my time was limited, but I still wanted to go out and shoot and make a video for you. Therefore, I decided to go out anyway, but limit the time spent taking photos to only 1 hour. I think it can be pretty educative and you'll see what type of field I have. If we are even allowed to use this term when talking about street photography, but anyway. And for the first time in my videos, I included all the metadata from the pictures, so you can have a look at the settings I used. But basically, the only setting I manually adjust is the aperture, and then I set my ISO to auto, going from 100 to 6400, with a minimum shutter speed of 1/500 or 1/1000 when using a long lens like the 85mm. It looks like spring is coming early this year, or at least in Europe. And obviously with spring comes the flowers, the vegetation, and the vivid greens from the grass. This is really a scenery I like, but every year at this time I struggle to incorporate those greens seamlessly in my pictures. Often I can choose between making them look yellowish so it blends better with the rest, or making them look deep and quite saturated, just like you can get naturally with some film stock. I feel like making them look yellow is not very natural, so I chose the green path, but I'm still not 100% convinced with how they turned out to be. Still some work to be done. spent a good bunch of my 60 minutes in this area that is just above the main railway station. There's a lot of buildings with funny architecture and plenty of colors. The shops, the walls are almost all in different colors, which is challenging to photograph and make an image look cohesive, but at the same time it's a good challenge and definitely a good editing exercise when using Lightroom after the shoot. And we are back around the railway station. It's an area I like to shoot in, not because it's aesthetically pleasing, it's more the contrary to be honest, but because it's probably the busiest place in Geneva. So when you want to take photos of people, it's definitely a good playground. And we are now shortly approaching the end of the timer. I like being constrained by the time, It's helping to put your brain in a shooting mode because you know your time is limited. With this video, I wanted to show that even when you're busy and can only set aside a little bit of your time, I think it's still worth it to step out of your door. If you're lucky, you can get nice images, but even like today, I had no images that really stood out, but it was still another hour of practice, and all the clicks on the shutter of your camera is a new opportunity to improve and sharpen your skills as a photographer. Sorry that this video was pretty raw. I didn't shoot any good looking B-roll or any of that stuff, but I think it can still have a little bit of value for you. If you're looking at this video, it means that I safely moved to Japan. I will, or have already, I don't know yet my posting schedule, made a video talking about my move. In that video I also talk about this YouTube channel and what you can expect going forward. So that's it for me today. I hope you liked it. Don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram to see more of my work. Give this video a like and subscribe if you want. You know what to do. Until next time, bye bye.